Hello, we're going to the mall today. We're going to watch the movie, but we're not going to tell you what is the movies we're going to watch because it's forbidden. we cannot we cannot share the title of the movie because it's forbidden. So kami muna ni JN magkasama, and then we're going to meet Ate Syra already in the mall. So we're waiting to Ate. The movie is showing now. This is already moving. Ay, 28 diba? 28 they already started. So yon, nanood kami finally. Unexpected. So now we're walking here, going down to Greenbelt. So this is the way going.
Kailangan ba pag nag-basking ka dito sa ilalim? Kailangan parang may presentation speaker or kailangan nakasaksak? Pwede mo saksak?
Pwedeng nakaano,
Saksak?
may
Saksak?
magpapaalam ko muna kasi sa admin dito. Kasi may
Hihingi
saksakan.
ng permit?
Oo.
Ayun,
Kasi
no?
may bayad yun. Tapos, seryoso yan. Ano? Kasi alam mo naman, it's expenses. Tinanggal ko yung jacket ko sobrang init. Grabe. So, this is the museum in Ayala. And then, but we're not always going there to Ayala Museum because there is you have to pay around how much? 300, 700 diba? 700 at fees.
Tingnan mo, ganun po.
Ha? Finally, nandito na kami sa loob ng mall.
Nakakontak lang sila ng black talaga boat. Pero ang waiting.
Surprise natin si Ate Sai. Sabihin natin, ay, hindi na kayo matutuloy. So, nandito na kami. Saan na kaya siya?
Yung
Saan siya? Spider.
saan siya?
Oh, so wow. Oh my God. Ay, hindi kami makakapanood. Sold out ang Spider. Sold out. Ha?
What?
Pati ba sa Garinda? I don't know. Maraming tao ngayon.